The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 series is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting releases in the foldable market, with early leaks suggesting a potential departure from previous models in several ways. According to recent reports by Galaxy Club, Samsung is currently working on two primary variants of the device, potentially catering to different consumer preferences and use cases, while a third model may join as an even more experimental addition. Typically, Samsung has released one main model of each foldable design annually: a book-style Galaxy Z Fold and a compact Galaxy Z Flip. This year, however, marked a slight shift with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 arriving in July, followed by a slimmer, lighter, special edition version in October. Reports now indicate that the next lineup will include two or more variants. Based on leaks, Samsung is developing one standard model, codenamed Q7, and another variant, referred to as Q7M, that could potentially offer a different design or feature set. There is also a Galaxy Z Flip 7 in development, which is rumored to carry the codename B7. According to Roland Quant tweet, each of these models is reportedly being tested with Rev. 0 parts, an indicator that Samsung is in the early stages of development, fine-tuning the hardware for optimal performance. These early parts are often prototypes that are subject to change, but reveal Samsung's focus on expanding its portfolio in the foldable segment. The Rev. 0 designation is significant as it confirms that the company is considering multiple design directions before finalizing any production models, which is a rare approach in its foldable history. Samsung's current approach hints at a thinner and more streamlined design for the upcoming models. Following in the footsteps of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which was notable for its reduced thickness and lighter build, the Q7 model is expected to adopt a similarly slim profile. The Q7M variant could either take this further with even lighter materials, or, as some speculate, introduce a new form factor altogether, potentially a trifold design that could double as a mini tablet. Reports also suggest that the hinge mechanism, a critical component in foldable devices, will receive further improvements. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 series is expected to feature an updated hinge that allows for a smoother, more gapless closure. Samsung has consistently pushed high-end hardware into its foldable, and according to Gadget 360, the upcoming models are expected to be no exception. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition featured a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip for Galaxy. The main display could reach up to 8 inches when unfolded, providing a tablet-like experience, while the external display might measure around 6.5 inches as seen in recent models. A refresh rate of 120 Hz is expected, ensuring smooth transitions and responsiveness. Samsung may also be working on reducing the crease visibility, a common complaint in foldable. Samsung's foldable has historically offered solid performance, and the Q7 and Q7M models are expected to follow suit. The latest special edition came equipped with a 200-megapixel rear camera. Samsung may also introduce advanced camera features such as improved night mode, AI-based enhancements, and possibly even optical zoom capabilities, which would make the foldable more versatile as a primary camera device. One of the most intriguing rumors from Galaxy Club is the Q7M variant, which could diverge significantly from the traditional foldable design. Speculations about a trifold model are swirling, which would allow the device to fold in multiple ways, offering users a versatile experience that blends the best of tablets and foldable phones. Samsung may also add new features focused on productivity and multitasking, as these are major selling points for foldable devices. Enhanced split-screen functionality, improved app continuity across screens, and even Samsung DeX support, which transforms the phone into a desktop-like experience, could be part of the upcoming lineup. Samsung traditionally holds its Galaxy Unpacked events for foldable devices in the summer, and it's probable that the next models will debut around July 2025. However, this year's phone is priced $100 higher than last year's, so we could be looking at a $2,000 phone next year. Would you be interested in a tri-fold design, or stick to the traditional fold? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with all the latest leaks and announcements.